Hello guys, welcome to Tshimo-Gae, and this is another section of my garden. I'm trying to make space for other plants. Before I do that, I need to harvest some of the potato plants that I kind of put in the ground a couple of months ago. So these are the plants. There's quite a few of them spaced up actually in a random manner. Guys, out of 4 plants I've managed to harvest this batch of potatoes. So now this one here has given a lot more potatoes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 potatoes altogether. Here I have potatoes from another plant, a lot lesser than the first one here. Then funny enough, here I only managed to harvest 1 potato. I do not know what the story is there. Then we have some more plants here, potatoes here, and some more. So the space here is being freed up for other stuff. Thank you guys. Cheers.